Welcome along to a extra little video for something really special. We had some great feedback over the weekend on the Daimler 66 Part 2 video. Part 3 is coming your way very soon. But throughout that video, we had people commenting on a really something quite special and rare and unusual that isn't going to be featured in the channel. But we had so much feedback on it, we thought we really should do. So without further delay, here is a Renault 10. We were blown away with how many people picked up on the fact there was a Renault 10. We're not doing anything on this in terms of a video because it's here, it's had very minor damage to the front of the bonnet and a dent down here, which we've taken care of and repainted the front of the front panel. The bonnet was a paintless dent repair because the colour's a little bit funky. So we've got paintless dent repair along here. John the Dent locally done an awesome job there. That'll get cleaned up, polished up, ready to go. But that's all we're doing. And the Renault came into us looking just like this as well, with the customer already de-trimming it. So we've just got to clean it up and send it on its merry way. But the amount of people that have commented both on our social media channels and YouTube about what a rare thing it is. I remember those back in the day. What a proper car and all that. So we thought we couldn't let it go, which it does tomorrow, without having a feature of some sort on it. But while we've got your attention, I suppose, we'll have a quick rundown, bit of a workshop Wednesday on a Monday evening. Two DeTomasos here. This one you would have seen already on the channel. We did a full repaint on that earlier this year. It's back with us as it has picked up some really quite unfortunate damage. They're low, they're wide, they're not an easy thing to drive. You can't see much. But unfortunately, the gentleman that owns it has just caught some damage along the bottom edge here. He's caught something very low, so we've got it in to take care of that before it goes up to Hampton Court Palace, I do believe. So not a huge amount of damage, but a tricky little repair. We'll be getting that done. And then we've got this one with us as well. A little bit of an accident where it's nudged. It's been damaged on the bonnet. Been damaged on the bonnet and damaged the front panel here as well. So all reshaped and primed. The bonnet's inside, that's all done in matte black. So I've just got the colour up, and then this will be gone this week as well. And again, while we've got your attention, inside the workshop, we've had a little bit of a move around. Loads of noise going on in here, so apologies if I'm shouting to you. But we've got the Porsche, which is now getting ready to go into epoxy, the 356A. You'll see more of that video coming very soon. The Mini is now all panelled up, ready to do a bit of shaping and levelling. The E-Type, which we introduced you to 2 weeks back, the bonnet is now done, ready to go into epoxy. So you might find yourselves having 3 Jaguar videos back to back. The E-Type might be this week's Cummins video. We have an X300 supercharger there, which is about to go under some fairly major bodywork with jacking points, bulkhead repairs and so on, which will be coming to the channel soon. And then tucked to the back there, Bo is now just getting the 57 Cadillac bonnet and boot lid ready to go into final primer. The doors are already done, they're upstairs, ready and waiting. The body will be down hopefully tomorrow. As I plan putting this video straight out, so tomorrow being Tuesday, 57 body should then be prepped up, ready to go into full primer. And then we're hoping to get that into colour towards the end of this month, which isn't too far away. We also have, which I don't think anyone's seen yet, we have a Mark 1 Crayford Capri convertible. Now the video is being built for this. We are making the video as we go. We are waiting on a huge delivery of panels, but this will be serialised in the channel, as you can see from this very brief glimpse. Mountain of work to do on that. Very rare car. Depending on who you talk to, there was 19 made, there was 30 made, there was 37 made. Either way, a very rare car, which will be coming to you very soon. So there's a quick rundown. I would imagine this weekend's video is probably going to be on the E-Type, but we'll see how the week goes. So thanks for all the feedback this weekend. For those that asked, there's a Renault 10. and we'll catch up with you at the weekend.